Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sales invoice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales invoice and introduce the sales invoice page. It is on the customer invoice menu, and here is the sales invoice page. It mainly implements the management of the entry, import process from creation, approval to post. Let me show you how to create a sales invoice. Click New to enter the sales invoice creation page. Let's fill out the invoice details. Customer ID, facility, and billing period are the required information in creating a sales invoice. Once the customer ID is selected, the associated information will be populated. Click Save. A sales invoice will be successfully created. The invoice will be under Billing Open Status. Under this status, you can edit the invoice detail at any time and also add the billing item. Invoice details and upload a sales document. Once the invoice is created, there is an option to forward or approve it. If the invoice is approved, you will be unable to edit it anymore. If the invoice is approved, you can post and approve or send an email to the customer. If the invoice is unapproved, it will go back to draft status. Let's go back to the sales invoice page. There is a function for you to change different invoice statuses in batches. You can choose multiple invoices to forward, merge, or approve. With the void function, if the invoice is under approved, post, or sent status, it can no longer be voided. For the merge function, invoices can be merged if they are in new draft or billing open status. Let me show you an example. Select the invoices you would like to merge. After that, the invoices are merged. For the approve function, it can only be done when the status is under draft, billing open, or merge status. For the export function, you can select the customer by checking the box here to the right condition. By clicking the Export button, the invoice list condition will be exported. So that will be it for the sales invoice page and how to create a sales invoice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.